All right, guys, why you should keep posting even if nobody watches. The reason why you should keep posting if nobody watches is because you like to post content. I see a lot of videos being posted now. I don't know if it's trending, but a lot of people are not putting no time or effort into their thumbnails. And that's very motivating in a way, but it all also can be discouraging because some people put so much money, right, and effort. They might be doing their own thumbnails where the thumbnails just might completely not get any views at all, right? They might have the impressions and people are not clicking on it. Just like for me, for instance, I spent a lot of time posting videos. I think a lot of time and money and effort posting videos, and I would see no results. I would go look at the impressions. I didn't really know what impressions were until recently. I found out what they were. So it's YouTube actually showing your video, but doesn't mean people are clicking on the video. Maybe the video is not interesting. It does not have no information, right? You might just be posting content. It might have a bunch of information, right? And some people are just not clicking the video because the title and the thumbnail are just completely something different or might be clickbaity, right? So focus on the title, right? Focus on the title and focus on the thumbnail, right? But I don't think you should put too much effort because I see people nowadays going viral off of things they didn't put no effort into. For me, I have some videos on my Pew Pew channel where I say pretty much, well, the title says that how to buy a Pew Pew in the state of California. Another one is you shouldn't buy this product until you watch this video. Those videos, one of them has 30,000 views, the other one has 25,000 views. Those are viral to me. And the reason why they're viral is because I've never had any video that ever hit 25,000 views. And I've been doing YouTube since 2016. What I did is I looked at other people's videos and I recreated those videos that they put out. And those videos just kind of, shot up. So maybe because I actually did the time, put time and effort into it of what was already trending in that time when people were posting those videos, right? The other one, how to buy a Pew Pew in the state of California, that one is going to consistently get views. And the reason why it's going to consistently get views is people are always looking how to do something, right? For instance, how to buy a Pew Pew in the state of California. What do I need to go through to be able to buy one for personal protection, right? People ask those questions. What do I have to have on hand? Do I need a driver's license? Do I need a birth certificate? Stuff like that. Just very informational. So when you put that information in the video, people can get all that stuff, all the documents, right, lined up. So when they go down there, they're not missing anything, right? For me, I just did a bunch of research. I'm probably going to post another video of how to get a CCW in the state of California because I have one. People have to do their research. Look up what titles are working, right? And what videos are doing good and what type of titles that they used. That usually helps. I think if the title's pretty much really, really good, I don't think that thumbnail really matters that much because I see some thumbnails really good and some titles just awful and they just don't get views. I see titles that are really good and then thumbnails suck. And these videos just get 150,000 views, right? Or 10,000, 30,000 views. And I believe that's because of their actual title. It's very enticing and it gets them wanting to click on that video. Like I said, I have those two videos on my Pew Pew channel that are doing really good. They're consistently getting views. The one with the bag is not. That was the first video that I put out that went viral. How to buy a Pew Pew in the state of California. That video didn't go viral until I posted that video, and it took maybe about 2 days. So sometimes the algorithm and the audience just needs time to be able to, well, the YouTube needs time to be able to push out that video to see if people are liking it or not, because sometimes what it is, some people click on the video, right? And it might be that one person that just clicks off the video and it's not getting pushed out. Maybe they had to do something, or maybe they just had to pause the video and come back to it later. So it all depends. Like I said, impressions are one thing that help. But at the same time, it's when somebody clicks, it's a click-through rate is more important. How long they're watching the video duration is important too for YouTube to push out that video to a broader audience. Like I said, I have those videos. I'm just recently posting on this channel. This is going to be my second video. My first video on this channel only has 2 views, and that's fine though, because I did take this channel. This used to be a fishing channel, and I made it into a ministry channel, also to build other people up, learning how to build a business. I also want to teach other people how to build up PDF files and how to sell on StanStore and stuff like that to help people build for the kingdom, and people that are kind of scared to get into something new. That's what I want to do. I want to help other people build, and I think that's the most important part of starting a YouTube channel, because some people are afraid to do it. I know I was afraid to do it. I was afraid to get in front of the camera, and people need to learn how to come over that fear, because to be honest, ain't nobody paying your bills. Ain't nobody paying your car note. Ain't nobody paying your rent. So somebody's going to watch that video, right? If you never get started, you'll never figure it out, right? If you never get started, you never figure out if you were able to go viral or you're able to make money on YouTube. Or I believe that you have to consistently go viral, or just consistently keep making videos to even make a living off of YouTube. And you'll see a lot of successful YouTubers, what they do is they keep posting videos. You figured, hey, they made a video that had 10 million likes or 500 million likes, whatever, right? You'd be like, oh, they don't have to work ever in their life, but why are they still making videos? Because a source of income still has to come in, right? They have to keep making videos because they need money. I've seen people post videos where their videos months later, right? They already got their check. Months later, that video even pushes out more, and it goes more viral. I'm paying attention to little things like that, because I think it does matter sometimes. Sometimes a video right away will not go viral. Sometimes people post it too early, and then YouTube doesn't pick it up right away, and it's still trying to figure out the audience, because what you're trying to do is please the audience. You're not trying to please the algorithm, because the algorithm doesn't really care. It's the people that are watching your videos that really care, right? If they're watching the video all the way through, if they're clicking on it, that's what's more important. If they click on it and like the video and watch the video all the way through, right? I think a lot of times too is we focus on too much of the lighting. Like I said, too much of the lighting is we lose sight and focus of what we're trying to do, right? The best edits and all this other stuff. I'm seeing videos go viral without edits now. So I believe that it's more motivational or more informational that people are wanting, because a lot of people want to step out their comfort zone and do new things. So with me personally, and I believe with other people, they're figuring out what works and what doesn't work. So, but yeah, other than that, if you guys want to start a YouTube channel, like I said, just get started. It posts when nobody is watching, because one day somebody will watch, and one day thousands of people will watch. One day maybe millions of people will watch. Look at Mr. Beast. Just for instance, Walt Disney and all these major companies, they started somewhere. They were never at the top. They all started somewhere. Walt Disney had to go to multiple different banks before he became Walt Disney. So find something that's going to motivate you. Read books, right? Read the Bible. Some people don't believe in the Bible, but read the Bible. There's a lot of information on building. There's a scripture where it talks about somebody that's lazy, that is poor, but somebody that is diligent is rich, right? Because they're going to think about things and they're going to put things into practice. That's what it's talking about. They're going to go out, going to go door knock. They're going to go put signs on doors. They're going to do this and that. And they're going to move. They're going to move pretty much, and they're going to figure it out. They're not going to stay stagnant and hoping, right? Sitting on their butt that it's going to work. That's not the way things work. But for instance, get out there, put videos out, see if people like it, motivate people, give people information. If you're funny and you have a good, a very good, I would say, attitude, and you're funny, very respectful, post videos on that. So, and even if you're not respectful and you're disrespecting, some people just don't care, right? Some people just don't care. But other than that, I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you guys watched all the way to the end, if you guys can hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your post notification button so you can get notified when I post another video. I want to post more videos like this. I don't want to just post videos on directly, I would say, Christian base. Everything's going to be Christian base, of course, but it's also going to edify somebody else, building them up. And that's the most important part, I think, about YouTube, is giving people information so they can build themselves up to be better tomorrow. So, but other than that, thank you guys for watching. Peace.